Hi, Tammy here with Minard's Leisure World. Join me as I take you through the 2025 Connect 293 RB. This is an all-new floor plan for the Connect lineup, a 3-slide couples coach, and I'm super excited to get through it with you. So at the front here, we have your 3/4 front fiberglass cap, rock guard on the bottom here. It does have your power front tongue jack on the front hitch, propane tanks, and your battery would be housed on the front hitch as well. Moving along, pass-through storage here, pass-through storage at the front, and it does have actually a motion sensor light in there. This guy has power jacks, so your front jacks and your back jacks are both powered. Nice power awning with LED lights and your outside speakers. At the back of the Connect 293 RB, it is backup camera prepped. You've got your ladder for access to the roof, and your spare tire is mounted on the bumper here. We are now on the road side of the coach. You've got another little cubby compartment here. I like this for tools, that sort of thing. So a little bit more outside storage, and there's even more. Let's check it out. So this is a bed slide, and at the back of the bed slide here from the outside, there is even more storage. So that's accessible from the inside or the outside. So great amount of exterior storage on this unit. And then here is the other side of your pass-through storage. This coach is equipped with solar, and your charge controller is just up in front there as well. All right, so we are inside the 2025 Connect 293 RB. This is a 3-slide couples coach. Tons of space, only 34 feet from tip to toe, and it weighs in at 8,060 pounds dry. As we come in here to the right, you've got a little bit of a hutch area with the plug-in, so great place maybe for your coffee maker or your toaster. Moving along into the kitchen, storage up top there, as well as a nice pantry. Moving along further into the kitchen here, you have your 12 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. So as I mentioned, this guy is equipped with your solar power. So nice fridge space there, freezer drawer on the bottom. Love what they did with the counter space here. So you've got your 3-burner cooktop and your oven. Great counter space on each side of your burners, plug-ins, storage on either side of your microwave. Island kitchen, great island. So nice, again, workable space there. You have your 1-piece stainless steel farm sink with your full cover, full solid cover here. Pull-out faucet on the back side of the island. You've got a bank of 3 drawers, so nice full extension drawers. And a great open space just below the sink. That is a good place for your garbage can. You've got some nice deep cabinets. Those are great for your air fryer, your crock pots, that sort of thing. Drawer below the oven here, and again, 3 more full extension drawers. Here you do have some open storage, so another great place maybe to keep your placemats or anything that you wish to store there, I guess. They've also got your flip-up breakfast bar. So this folds down or flips up. You've got 2 nice stools that go with it just to add to your island and your counter space as well. As we move along into the seating area here, you have this great size sofa. Room for, there's 4 seating spaces in here. Heat and massage on the ends, and all 4 of them recline. If there's just the 2 of you kick back relaxing, both of these guys flip down and have cup holders, as well as USB and 110 plugins. Directly across from the seating area here, you have your entertainment system, so storage up above. This is a 40-inch smart TV, and it's got the built-in soundbar and sound by JBL. So that is all kind of an all-in-one system. Little bit of a space below here if you need to use a satellite receiver or anything along that line, and your electric fireplace. So this is a rear bath, and wow, this is fantastic. So you've got your double sinks, tons of counter space here in the washroom, lots of storage up top for a medicine cabinet. You've got a bank of 3 drawers below, cabinet on each side of the sink. The storage is endless in here. I'm not done yet. Kind of some cool lighting on the floor there. You have another nice deep linen closet at the back here. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Your residential kind of rectangular shape shower stall with the upgraded shower faucets. Skylight in there as well, and more storage. So this has a hanging rod in it, but if you choose not to use it as a hanging rod, you could put shelves in there, or you can also have a washer dryer. Okay, so we are at the front of the coach now. This is where your third slide is. So up in your master bedroom, king size bed, windows on each side of the bed and one at the head of the bed, and they've got the neat little shelving units there for maybe a CPAP machine, charge your phones, water, that sort of thing. Up at the front here, there is a nice large closet. So lots of room in there for hanging. Got some shelves in there. Maybe you're going to fold your hoodies or put some extra footwear in there. At the foot of the bed here, more storage. This coach has so much storage. So flat screen TV up there. You've got the nice window. And I do want to point out that they do the roller shades. So those are really nice. Your full room darkening roller shades. Cabinet on either side of the TV. Two smaller drawers here. Two larger drawers. And a cabinet on each side below as well. I should mention that this coach is also equipped with two AC. So you've got your AC in the master bedroom as well as your AC out in the living area. So thanks for joining me on this tour of the all-new 2025 Connect 293 RB. Absolutely love this floor plan. Really spacious, storage galore. Again, only 8,060 pounds dry, 34 feet tip to toe. Give us a shout. Minard's Leisure World, Weyburn and Watrous, Saskatchewan.